Dim sum is a traditional Cantonese delicacy in Hong Kong's tea houses. Steamed baskets filled with dumplings are a staple of this cuisine. Dumpling wrappers are thin, delicate sheets of dough, usually made fresh. Shrimp and pork filling are common ingredients in these steamed treats. Tea houses serve dim sum in a unique, communal dining experience. Shared plates of steamed dumplings are passed around the table. Family and friends gather to share in the rhythm of a dim sum meal. The sound of steaming baskets and gentle chatter fills the air. Diners carefully open bamboo baskets to reveal the steaming contents. Pouring tea is an essential part of the dim sum experience, a sign of respect. The aroma of steaming dumplings and tea wafts through the tea house. In this serene atmosphere, diners savor each bite and shared moment. Delicate dumpling wrappers are filled with shrimp and pork filling carefully. Steamed baskets are prepared with precision to preserve the flavors inside. The tea house staff expertly arranges the steamed baskets on the table. Diners eagerly await the steaming hot dumplings to be served promptly. The sound of bamboo baskets being opened fills the tea house air. Aromatic steam rises from the baskets, teasing the diner's senses. The first bite of a dumpling is savored, and the flavors are appreciated. Tea is poured into delicate cups, and the ritual of sharing begins. Diners pass the shared plates, enjoying the variety of dim sum offered. The rhythm of the dim sum meal is a harmonious balance of flavors. The tea house atmosphere is filled with the joy of communal dining. The steaming baskets and shared plates bring people together in serenity. Steaming baskets filled with dumplings arrive at the table promptly. Dim sum tea houses serve a variety of steamed dishes daily. Pork filling and shrimp are key ingredients in many dim sum dishes. Dumpling wrappers are thin and delicate, requiring great skill. The art of pouring tea is a significant part of the experience. Tea is poured in a specific manner to avoid splashing the table. Sharing plates is a common practice in dim sum tea houses. Guests often take turns selecting dishes to share with the group. The rhythm of a dim sum meal is fast-paced and lively always. Steamed baskets are opened with anticipation, revealing hot dishes. Diners use chopsticks to carefully pick up the delicate dumplings. The atmosphere in a dim sum tea house is warm and inviting always. Steaming baskets filled with dumplings are carefully carried to each table. Delicate wrappers encase shrimp and pork fillings, a classic dim sum combination. Diners eagerly await the arrival of their steamed favorites, savoring the aroma. Tea is poured into delicate cups, a soothing accompaniment to the meal. The sound of bamboo baskets being opened fills the air, a symphony of delight. Dumplings are served in a variety of styles, each with its own unique flavor profile. Pork and shrimp are staple ingredients, often combined in creative ways. The art of steaming dumplings is a precise one, requiring great skill and patience. Dim sum tea houses are a place of community, where friends and family gather to share. The rhythm of a dim sum meal is a sensory experience, a harmony of taste and sound. Steam wafts up from the baskets, carrying the scent of freshly cooked dumplings. The experience of dining on dim sum in a Hong Kong tea house is truly unforgettable. Dim sum tea houses are integral to Hong Kong's cultural landscape. Steamed baskets filled with dumplings are a staple in these establishments. The sound of sizzling and steaming fills the air, enticing patrons. Dumpling wrappers are carefully wrapped around shrimp and pork fillings. The aroma of tea wafts through the rooms, complementing the dishes. In a traditional dim sum tea house, shared plates are a common sight. Patrons gather around the table, eager to sample various delicacies. The rhythm of a dim sum meal is a sensory experience, rich and vibrant. Steam baskets are opened, revealing freshly cooked dumplings inside. The act of pouring tea is a significant part of the dim sum tradition. Diners engage in lively conversations, savoring each bite and moment. The cultural significance of dim sum in Hong Kong is truly profound. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.